Hunting is an age-old tradition and a favorite pastime for many. But without the right gear and gadgets, it can be challenging to navigate the wilderness and bag your game. That's where hunting gear and gadgets come in. A good hunting knife, a reliable rifle or bow, and the right clothing are essential. But to take your hunting game to the next level, you'll need the latest hunting gear and gadgets. From high-tech game cameras and GPS systems to electronic decoys and scent eliminators, these cutting-edge tools can give you the edge you need to bring home that big game. And with advances in technology, hunting gear and gadgets are only getting better, lighter, and more efficient. So whether you're an experienced hunter or just starting, investing in quality hunting gear and gadgets can make all the difference in your next hunting trip.
Blackhawk 360 from Wicked Ridge Crossbows. Priced at just $399.99, this is the lowest priced American-made crossbow on the market today. It's built to put meat on your table. Born and bred in the US, it's just like you. Hunts hard to get the job done and is proud to be American. Built for success in tight hunting situations, the Wicked Ridge Blackhawk 360 features a 15-inch wide, 175-pound bow assembly with 11-inch WRX limbs powered by heavy-duty machined 5S cams that elongate the power stroke and increase cam rotation to produce speeds of up to 360 feet per second with unmatched downrange accuracy. The Blackhawk 360's unique stock has been engineered to lighten the crossbow to just 6 pounds overall, making it one of the lightest crossbows on the market and very easy to maneuver in the field. Its fully integrated foregrip is backed up with elongated safety wings to help keep the shooter's hand safely below the bowstring's path during the shot, and a fully enclosed trigger guard provides additional safety. The stock also features a Picatinny rail below the front of the barrel to mount additional accessories. The Blackhawk 360 features 10 points ultra crisp 3.5-pound trigger along with 10 points DFI, dry fire inhibitor, which protects the crossbow from damage if it is fired without loading an arrow. Upon easy one-bolt assembly, the advanced design measures an easy-to-handle 35 inches long. The Blackhawk 360 has a tactical black stock and peak camo limbs. The Blackhawk 360 is pre-sighted at the factory for 20 yards, and at the price point of just $399.99, it's not just the crossbow, it also includes a package. The package includes our 3-power multi-line scope, 3 Wicked Ridge aluminum arrows and quiver, and the rope cocker. With the Blackhawk 360's American-made quality, out-of-the-box accuracy, and world-renowned customer service from 10 Point, this is by far the best crossbow on the market for under $400.
Part of the Navigator series from La Crosse, a backcountry. Lodestar's DuraFit Heel Cup adds to the boot's stability when the terrain gets uneven. Made from molded rubber, this proprietary heel cup wraps the heel and locks it in place for a secure fit. The Lodestar's HexGuard rubber toe cap adds a layer of protection against the most abrasive environments. To create the Lodestar's outsole, we partnered with the industry's best, Vibram. We use their XS Trek rubber compound for its flexibility and superior traction on wet surfaces, making it incredibly responsive on unpredictable terrain. The outsole's special design features aggressive star-shaped omnidirectional lugs, which provide 360-degree traction and grip in all conditions. Larger lugs line the outside of the foot, giving you more stability when carrying heavy loads. That's the Loadstar, part of the Navigator series from Lacrosse.
DTS. Working closely with Gerber, Randy's unique insight and feedback was built into each step of the product development process. The dual tool system is a capable workhorse built for streamlined processing in your next big game hunt. Whether using the gutless or traditional open cavity method. It's got two task-specific blades for streamlined processing. A D2 tendon tool that strong arms tough tendons and preserves the life of the 440C primary blade. The tendon tool is meant to take a beating and keep on going, breaking down joints, dorsal hide, and tendons with its unique shape and aggressive serrations. The purposeful handle design is ideal for multiple grip styles as well as ambidextrous use. Retroreflective material catches your headlamp so it doesn't get left behind in the dark. It's got barrel construction and a pivot lock, which means it's easy to clean and maintain after the hunt is over. With the big game hunter in mind, the smart design of the Randy Newberg DTS is the ideal companion for your next hunt. Like all Gerber products,
If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, smash that subscribe button and make sure to turn the notification bell on. Now that's all I've got, and in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.